My name is Janardhan. I'm here for my dad's treatment of his kidney cyst, which was infected. And we met Dr. B.V Rao. And from the time that we met B.V Rao, it is a fabulous experience that he got it diagnosed, and then he did refer us to a couple of other doctors like Srinivas Gupta and Nagarjuna, the pulmonologist. And yeah, under their supervision now it's almost like day 6 and he's about to get discharged, and he's doing pretty well with no complaints. At the age of 82 he's able to walk, he's able to articulate what he wants, and there we are. What else can I talk about the hospital? Their facility is amazing. It doesn't look like an hospital, it looks like an hotel. And yeah, the staff is very cordial. The food is amazing. Their cafeteria food is like a restaurant. I feel like coming here, parking and eating it. So that's the experience that I have here. The coffee shops is one of its kind. I just love it. It's like the airport coffee shops here. And their test centers are really great. They give the reports quickly, so it helps us to review with doctor. And yeah, that's all I have for them today. Thank you.